I'm Brad Davies, and today in downtown Houston, we're not going to watch art come to life. We're going to watch it roll through the streets of the city. It's the 39th annual Art Car Parade, and this is the pre-parade gathering. We're going to talk to some of these folks and find out just what it takes to put one of these vehicles together. In 1988, the very first art car parade hit the streets. Just 40 vehicles and a crowd of about 2,000 people. What started as a bold, slightly offbeat idea quickly became something much bigger. And by the very next year, the number of entries doubled and the crowd swelled to in the tens of thousands. And before long, artists from across the country started showing up, driving thousands of miles just to be a part of this. What Houston created was the epicenter of an entirely new art movement. Somewhere along the way, a Houston teacher named Rebecca Bass, along with her students at Edison Middle School, entered an art car. They called it the Body Shop. Well, not only did it win awards, it changed what this parade could be. And suddenly, students of all ages weren't just learning about art, they were building it, collaborating on it, bringing it to life on four wheels. And this year, there are close to 80 schools involved in the Art Car Parade. This year's parade has 258 vehicles rolling through downtown, and each one is completely unique. That's because Houston is a city where creativity shows up everywhere. In Houston, art isn't just something you go see, it's something you live in. Okay, so I am here with Jennifer Davies, and she is an art teacher at the Harmony School for Fine Arts and Technology. And this dinosaur behind us, this is her creation with your art.
Prehisaurus.
The prehistoric. Okay, tell me a little bit about
Prehisaurus.
Prehisaurus.
Yes. Because it's a Prius.
It's a pun. I got it.
Yeah.
So how do you come up with this? How do you come up with this idea?
Well, we came up with a lot of different ideas. But a lot of our kids love dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs. So we decided on a Prehisaurus.
When you're doing something like this, there've got to be like a lot of obstacles that I'm sure it's a long planning process, and then you got to figure out ways around all these problems.
Yeah, so we came up with the idea first, and once we came up with the idea, we kind of started working from there. We worked backwards. So we had an idea and how we wanted to look, and then the head was probably the most important aspect of the car, and also the harness. It's made from chicken wire and cardboard.
That's chicken wire and cardboard?
Yep.
And it's surviving the rain, which we're getting on and off here today.
Well, it's spray foam, and also we've sealed it with a weatherproof sealant.
When we're going through the parade here today, when people see your car, what do you want them to think?
I just want them to be proud of our students. I don't really have an idea of what they think. I want them to know it's a dinosaur, and I just want our students to be proud. So that's really what it all amounts to.
And so the Harmony School for Fine Arts and Technology has how many cars here today?
Actually, we have 3 cars today, number 20, and the car behind us is Ingenuity, our high school that we feed into. She worked with me last year on our car, and now this year she has her own car.
So 3 schools, and each car has its own team. And this is from
and its own theme.
And its own theme as well. This is yours. This is your creation with your art club.
Yes.
And we have, I know we don't have the whole club here today,
No, we don't.
but we have some members of the team.
Yes.
Let's go meet, can we go meet them?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so here we are with Mrs. Davies' art club. Well, some of the art club, not the whole art club. Michelle, who do we have? And this is Michelle. Say hello.
Hello.
So let's talk about who else we have with us today.
We have Logan, who is in 6th grade, same class. And this is Enzo. You're in, 5, see?
Enzo, right at
Yes,
the end.
Enzo.
Okay, super. And you guys did these masks as part of this. You're gonna wear them in the parade today?
Yes.
Enzo's got his on. He's wearing that proudly. Hold yours up so everybody else can see him because you're not wearing them at the minute. Those are very cool. So let's talk about the car. So you guys did a little bit of everything here, including the head. You did the scales in the back. What part of the car do you think you're most proud of?
I think the part we're most proud of is the head, as it's the most prominent part of the art car. But also I think the spikes are also very important as it shows certain things from each of the members who did work on the spikes.
So who, and let's be honest now, out of the 3 of you, who did the most work?
Depends on what we need.
That is a great answer. You're gonna be a politician someday, I think. I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, so here's the big question though. Like if we're in the parade, you guys are gonna be walking, right? And we've had some rain, the rain's coming, the rain's going, that kind of thing. What happens if it's raining and something falls off the car? Whose job is it to pick that up? That's gonna be your job? Okay, got volunteers already. Axel, she's got the umbrella, she's ready to go. This is gonna be fantastic. The parade is going to get started in just a little while though. We gotta get these guys ready. Rain or shine, we're gonna get this done, right? Let's get ready, let's go. Always an amazing time here at the annual Art Car Parade in Houston. This is the 39th. It's about time to get this show on the road, and my ride is here. So until next time, I'm Brad Davies for American Dream TV.